A battalion-sized Special Action Force unit was deployed, with the 84th Special Action Company as the main assault force and the 55th Special Action Company securing the crossing point. Early in the engagement, the 84th Special Action Company succeeded in the mission but suffered heavy losses as they were pushed back to the 55th Special Action Company's position. Unknown to the 55th Special Action Company, the 84th Special Action Company had taken a different route during extraction due to imminent danger. Despite heavy enemy fire, the 55th Special Action Company held their ground to ensure the safe extraction of the 84th Special Action Company. They could have relocated but choose to stay, prioritizing the safety of their comrades. One by one, 55th Special Action Company members, along with some from the 84th Special Action Company, fell as enemy forces outnumbered them. Enduring gunshot wounds, they continued to fight for the memories of their loved ones. The SOP 44 fought valiantly until their last breath, displaying unwavering bravery and supreme sacrifice in service to the Filipino people and to the Republic.
At this juncture, before we proceed to the wreath-laying ceremony, a roll call for the gallant SAP 44 and NCRPO killed in police operation will be conducted. Police Senior Inspector Ryan Ballesteros Pabalinas, Police Senior Inspector John Gary Alcantara Irana, Police Senior Inspector Max J. Ramirez Tiara, Police Senior Inspector Gednat Galuyan Tabdi, Police Senior Inspector Cyrus Palayan Aniban, Police Senior Inspector Renny Lumasag Tayros, Police Senior Inspector Joey Sacristan Gamutan, Senior Police Officer 1 Lover Lino Inocencio, Police Officer 3 Andres Viernes Duque Jr., Police Officer 3 Robert Domolog Aliaga, Police Officer 3 Noble Sungay Tiangan, Police Officer 3 Noel Ongayin Golokan, Police Officer 3 Jeds N. Abubakar Asjali, Police Officer 3 Vergel Segundo Villanueva, Police Officer 3 John Lloyd Ripamonte Sevilla, Police Officer 3 Victoriano Nacion Akain Jr., Police Officer 2 Efrain Garcia Mejia, Police Officer 2 Omar Agarce Nacionales, Police Officer 2 Jonrel Narvas Kibete, Police Officer 2 Jerry Taylay Cayo, Police Officer 2 Romeo Valles Senin II, Police Officer 2 Chongong Ok Agabon, Police Officer 2 Noel Nedrida Balaca Jr., Police Officer 2 Godofredo Basa Cabanier, Police Officer 2 Walter Faustino Danao, Police Officer 2 Aman Meswari Espula, Police Officer 2 Glenn Beresio Bedua, Police Officer 2 Peterson Indongan Cara, Police Officer 2 Roger Cordete Cordero, Police Officer 2 Rodel Eva Remacula, Police Officer 2 Nicky De Castro Nasino Jr., Police Officer 2 Franklin Cadap Danao, Police Officer 2 Rodrigo Fajardo Acob Jr., Police Officer 2 Joel Benidang Tulnuan, Police Officer 1 Loreto Guyab Kapinding II, Police Officer 1 Mark Lori Olorte Clemencio, Police Officer 1 Wendell Yano Candano, Police Officer 1 Gringo Charag Kayang-o, Police Officer 1 Russell Bawaan Dilo, Police Officer 1 Joseph Gumatay Sagonoy, Police Officer 1 Angel Kalingayan Kumbiat, Police Officer 1 Richel Salangan Baluga, Police Officer 1 Olivet Ligutan Viernes, Police Officer 1 Romeo Kumanoy Safron, and Patrolman Jarwin Curtin Ligayo Bagay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now witness the wreath-laying ceremony in commemoration of the Day of National Remembrance for the heroic sacrifice of the SOP 44 who gave their lives to protect the comfort of the Filipino people. The wreath-laying ceremony will now begin.
Tanggol! Ah! Balik mo. Hop!